Coachella 2K17.
Be.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Oy! May dala ako. May ang pagakuha siya. Tayo later, be. Oh.
Di ba ito yung uso ngayon?
Exactly!
Uy, tol!
Tol, angas ng Japons natin ah!
Solid! Varsity jacket to!
Madalang tita ko.
Guys, may suggestion ba kayo sa theme natin this Christmas party?
I have a suggestion. What if, let's do Euphoria team na lang?
Ain't got shit on me, 'cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
That's too basic, darling. What if mafia na lang? Mafia, di ba, boys?
Oo nga,
Mafia! Mafia!
Mentally, physically weak. Must know when up my phone play just ain't you.
Ay, ang bongga nila. Aldrich aesthetic na lang kaya. Sikat to sa TikTok.
Intermission number! Intermission number!
Sheesh! Go, boy! Kuya, pwede ba Ano yun? Ano kaya to? Wow, solid pre! Salamat! Pangarap ko to! Please. Oh my God! My favorite damo! Ano kaya to? Te, anong wishlist mo? Biceps to Mingyu! Char! Oy, te, pinahanap ko pa talaga yun kay mama yung Sony Angel, ha? Te, bang Angel ata nabili niyo? At tara na guys, games na tayo! Bring me kutsara! Kutsara, eto, here! Aray! Ay, problema mo. Basta I'm the winner. Oh, go! Ikaw na panalo. Next na agad. Bring me traidor na friend. No, I suggest bring me backstabber. Bring me gumawa ng separate GC na hindi ako kasama. Mas fun if bring me spy sa GC na nasa screenshot ng convo at nililik sa teachers. Bring me nagfe-feeling winter kahit ang init-init dito sa Pilipinas. Excuse me? Bring me walang sense of fashion na nagbukang paso sa pa-flower niyang suot. Bring me walang ambag sa research. Bring me plastic at pabibo. Bring me nagmamantika yung mukha na kala mo naman pinagpituhan ng fried chicken na kinakain namin ngayon. Finally, may winner na tayo for today. Congrats, Balong. Panalo ka na. Claim mo na yan. Basta ako, I'm sure na hindi ako magiging oilet to last today thanks to my Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Looking for the best powder that's just more than waterproof? We got you! This newest Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder has 16-hour oil control. Wow, just look at that before and after. And for only 249 pesos, you get both oil control and sun protection. Say goodbye to oiliness and hello to the new pastar ng Pasko with my Maybelline's newest Fit Me Compact Powder.